what can we do? What can this court do?
That means that inquiry is that report by the Supreme Judicial Council on the basis of which he has been removed is unconstitutional, because Constitution requires.
I'm not asking for an argument. I'm saying what can this court do? What if I was to ask you, okay, what sort of order can this court pass? What would you suggest?
Declaring the inquiry, the report of the Supreme Judicial Council as unconstitutional, void, and nullity.
And suppose the allegations that you level were not true. Then
what was it?
Suppose that the allegations that you leveled, one person is saying no, one person is saying yes. Now we must have a mechanism to ascertain who is telling the truth. I mean, we can't throw a coin in the air and decide on that basis. So there are two possibilities. I mean, don't mind my saying so. Either the petitioner is telling the truth or is not telling the truth. There are only two possibilities. If, don't mind my saying so, if he's not telling the truth and he makes this allegation, and on that, and nobody ascertains, like you have alleged that nobody ascertained, and nobody ascertains whether his allegation is true or false, and is or whatever the order is set aside, surely this will not be proper. That's why I'm saying, how do we go forward now?
That is exactly the case. If your Lordship may kindly see that I informed the Chief Justice of...
No, we understand that. They concede no inquiry was held. I'm saying, where do we go from here?
So therefore, the entire proceedings against me...
वो भी हो गई. Suppose, just for the sake of argument, we say... because we have to deal with these cases, it becomes precedent. Okay? Supreme Judicial Council, let's assume, did not do its job by inquiring into the matter. Correct? I think fundamental rights are available to judges as well. The due process and fair trial. By all means, hear it and then remove me. Because say this is false allegation you've leveled, you don't fit to be a judge, and not only made a false allegation, you went and made it publicly. If it was false, he should be removed. If it was false, he should be removed. No. If the allegation that you now is established to be false after the inquiry, should you have been removed?
Then can be yes.
Okay. No. Now I reverse it.
Yeah.
If after inquiry it transpires that the allegation that you leveled was true,
yes,
they may say you still should be removed because you went public, or no, you should not be. But your emphasis is on the fact that one way or the other inquire into the matter. Am I correct in understanding that? Now because you had leveled initially allegations without making anyone a party, so we wanted to hear what the persons against whom the allegations had been made, would they say? They may come and say, yes, I did so, but there was nothing wrong in it, or simply say, yes, I did it. But the matter can't end now because they are saying, no, this is all false. So who will ascertain the truth of the matter?
The Supreme Judicial Council ought to have done that. My position is. Now your Lordship is...
Zara mein solution bhi bata dena sir. We're looking for how to solve this riddle.
इसका simple जवाब है sir. जैसे पहले, in some cases it has happened. एक तो ये है कि जो हमने बिगिन विद
हमें सोल्यूशन हम आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू समझ गए, हम आपका केस समझ गए. अब हम करें क्या ये बताइए. What sort of order which should not, either then it will amount to the same allegation that you leveled on the other side The other side will tomorrow complain and say, you never ascertained this fact, and you held that we've done this thing. So, you come up with a solution now.
Sir, my solution is let this order of the president and the report may kindly be quashed, and a commission may be appointed to ascertain the truth, so that we can cross-examine them, they can cross-examine us.
Commission, how, under what law will we do that?
This honorable court can always do so.
No, they can
ascertain the truth about the matter.
No, it can't be remanded to the Supreme Judicial Council.
Sir,
is that a possibility or it's not?
It can be, yes. It can be, yes. It can.
No, I want your clear thinking on this.
After questioning the order of
Sub-Article 7, Sub-Article 7.
There is one problem which I see.
एक Sub-Article 7 भी पढ़ लें. 209 Sub-Article 7. 209 Sub-Article 7 पढ़ लें.
जी 7 साहब वो 7 की बात हो रही है ना, तो उसमें है a judge of the Supreme Court or of a High Court shall not be removed from office except as provided by this article. Article क्या provide करता है? President can remove on the basis of a report. The report has to be based on inquiry. So therefore under clause 7
नहीं देखें, ये तो admitted fact हो गया that no one ascertained whether the allegation was factually correct or not. That much is established from what I've been able to understand. Unless somebody says, no, it's not been established. I don't think even Khwaja Sahab, पूछते थे Khwaja Sahab कहाँ गए? Was the one way